Hey everyone, it's me, Madison, and today we are going to take a quiz. Would you rather heavy rain edition? So I already clicked on it. If you want to know what if I'm doing, then this is pretty much it. I'm thinking about doing this. I don't know why. Hello, welcome to my quiz. Let's get started. Would you rather help Grace with the groceries or listen to Peter talk about politics for 2 hours straight? For me, I'm not technically a, politic kind of person, and I would probably daydream or go to sleep. I don't know. But with Grace, it would probably only take a few seconds, so I would say Grace. Would you rather have Ethan teach you how to juggle or have Jaden play you your favorite song on piano? Alright, so this is gonna be like if I was actually in this game, which one would I actually choose? I'd rather have Jaden play my favorite song on the piano. That's what I want. Okay. Would you rather pray with Nathaniel all day or listen to Jason brag about himself? Well, with Nathaniel, I know God, Satan will strike us down or something. He's kind of a freak, and I don't know. I wouldn't. And since Jason would die in the game anyways, why not have the guy brag about himself because he's gonna die? Would you rather go to Paku's office or be kissed on cheek by Blake? Okay, I don't like going in Paco's office. And there's actually 4 options in this. Paco, Blake. Ew, they are both horrible choices. And then she's go, mwah. And then the other one's like, gross, I'm not interested in that gender. Let's see, if I was actually this game, and Jaden, Norman Jaden actually did like me, or he was jealous or something like that, like in my book, I would rather kiss Blake on the cheek, because again, it's not on the lips, it's on the cheek. And with Paco's, I don't know, I don't think so. Like, it's not like, okay, there's 2 options, there's no likely I'm going to actually pick the other one. So I have to go with Blake. Would you rather get an abortion from the doc or get beat up by Mad Jack? This one's a tough one. No, wait, get operation. Operation? Operation. From, like, which doctor are you actually talking about? The doctor, like, what? No, wait, that's a therapist. Never mind. I was fixing to say, like, which doctor? Ethan's doctor, or... But never mind. I'd rather get beat up by Mad Jack. Because if you think about that for a second, like what happened in the actual game, yeah, I would have to go with Mad Jack because it's just like if he beats up you, it's probably 50% you're gonna live. But with the doctor, let's be honest, you're just gonna straight up die in that show. Yeah, I would say Mad Jack. Okay, would you rather have a go of driving Madison's motorcycle, which is Madison Page, or drive around in the police car annoying Blake? Okay, that's a tough one because I would actually love to ride a motorcycle. And again, I want to ignore Blake most than anything because Blake, I just hate him so much right now. I don't like him. Alright. So, hold on, let me think about this. If Jaden was in the car, I would definitely do that because we would both annoy him. We would both annoy him, and that's just funny to me. So, I would say police car with Blake. You choose what I choose. That's great. There was only one I didn't choose. That's probably be beat up by, or something like that. I'm actually gonna see what this author actually did. No, wait, unfollow. I didn't mean author's profile. Taking a long time. Fuck. The first thing I see is fuck the world. Really? Which Harridan character do you think would be the match for me? I don't even know who you are.